Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open Phantom Wallet and go to the home page. Tap Receive and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In this case, it is Solana. Once selected, tap the Copy button to copy your wallet address. Now, open Coinbase and go to the home page. Tap Transfer at the bottom right, then select Send Crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, which in this case is Solana. Paste the copied Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Next, enter the amount you want to send. If you want to transfer everything, select Max. Double-check the wallet address to ensure it is correct, as sending to the wrong address may result in a loss of funds. Once verified, tap Send to complete the transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.